Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change the scroll direction on your Mac, whether you're using a mouse or a trackpad. If you feel like scrolling goes the wrong way, for example you scroll down but the page moves up, you can easily switch it. On Mac, this setting is called natural scrolling. When natural scrolling is turned on, the page moves in the same direction as your fingers, similar to an iPhone or iPad. When it's turned off, the scrolling direction is reversed, which some users prefer, especially with a mouse wheel. Let's go step by step. First, open System Settings on your Mac. You can click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings from the drop-down menu. Or press Command+Space, type System Settings, and press Enter. Now in the left-hand menu, scroll down. If you're using a mouse, click on Mouse. On the right side, you'll see the option for natural scrolling. Simply toggle it off to reverse the scroll direction. You can test it immediately to see if you prefer the new direction. If you ever want to switch it back, just toggle it on again. Now let's look at the trackpad. In the left menu, click on Trackpad. Then click on the Scroll and Zoom tab at the top. Here you'll also see the natural scrolling option. Turn it off to reverse the scroll direction, or turn it on to use Apple's default natural scrolling behavior. And that's it. You've successfully changed the scroll direction on your Mac for both mouse and trackpad. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical Mac guides.